Just a disclaimer to all those watching, this video is not made for kids, it's for older fans and adults. If you are under the age of 13 and haven't heard words like fuck, shit or piss, well you have now. Enjoy the video. Not every diesel is an oily, smoky monster. Some are alright. What's that, Duck? Are you afraid of bees? They're only insects after all, so don't let that buzzbox diesel tell you different. His name is Boko, and he didn't. I wouldn't care.
Oh my, greasy oil!
Thank goodness he's only here for the week. Stupid, unreliable thing.
Yo ho ho, in a bucket of prawns, the tenor spins and the captain yawns.
Oh great, another noisy diesel on our island. I bet you he's only singing to gloat. Show off. Alright, this is the place. Deep breaths, James. Deep breaths. Right, here we go. Okay, alright. Excuse me. Hello? Excuse me. Who's there? Oh goodness, oh dear. Huh? Oh, it's you. What do you want? Hello. We're in a bit of trouble and we need you to clear the track so we can fix the airport's runway.
Why would I help any of you steamies? I'm busy sorting out scrap here.
But surely you're not too busy that you can't just, go for a few minutes?
You saying I'm not busy?
No, I'd never say that, never would. It's just... We need you.
Huh?
We need your help. If the airport isn't finished, there'll be less passengers for us, and I'm scared that if we don't have enough work to do, we'll... Well, I think you know.
Maybe I will help.
Later. No, not later. Now. We need, your help now. I mean, think about it. If you help us with the airport, you'll have saved all our passenger trains for the summer. You will, without a doubt, be the most important engine on the island.
That's funny coming from the likes of you. Thought you didn't like us.
What makes you think that?
What, don't think I hear nothing? Harry and Bert come here a lot, telling me about the things you say.
Oh, well, believe me, I know now how horrible I've been to them. And Diesel. I mean, if I wasn't such a vain coward, we wouldn't even be in this mess right now. I've hurt them. And my friends. And they probably don't want to be friends with me anymore. My behaviour has been disgusting. And I'm sorry for the hurtful things I've done and said. This is my final chance to put things right. I said that if you helped us, you'd be the most important engine on the island. But you're already just as important as us steam engines. And I should have seen that sooner. All right. I'll help. I gotta hand it to you, James. This makes quite a difference to being crammed up in the scrapyards all day and night. Quite the chatterbox, ain't you? Sorry, I just can't talk right now. All that's on my mind is fixing the runway in time. Ah, I gotcha. Alright, let's get a move on. He can't get the cranes, so where could he possibly have gone? Probably ran off in shame after making a mess. Stupid little steam. What the? Alright, out of my way. I got unfinished work back at the scrapyard, so I want to finish this fast. Well, Grandma Gears, Diesel 10. The big geezer himself has come out of the shadows. Hey James, get one of those empty trucks alongside me. We've got a big piece here. Right away. Are you guys gonna help or what? We got an airport to save. Oh, yes, of course. Right away. Yeah, I'm on it. I'll get the next truck ready. Thomas, you can go after me. Gotcha. Harry, Bert, you okay going after us both? Yeah, we'll be ready. Keep 'em coming. Right, away we go. Just look at them together. Isn't it wholesome? Oh yeah, warms your engine, don't it? We are going to help too, right? Oh yes, of course. I was just enjoying the moment. Bless ya. You got it. Yep, I've got it. Good man. Just bringing it in now. Here it comes. Alright, I've made a one-line gap in the mess. Should be enough for one of you to get through. I'll go get George. I don't mind getting him if you're too tired. It's alright. James is amending his mistake. Now I'm amending mine. You and Harry can go get the cranes, though. Whichever one of yous is going, make it snappy. Right, I'll be back soon, everyone. Harry, let's get them cranes, bruv. Righto. Fixing roads and saving railways. I don't know how to feel about this. Alright, that's the last of it. The track is clear. Now I gotta head back and... Just in time. Haha, we made it. I know this will be exciting. Huzzah! It's finally ready. Absolutely marvelous. This is history in the making. Wow. Absolutely glorious. Wow! What a wonderful sight! Alright, get in there! Hooray! Yeah, sure, they've earned it. Hooray! Excellent! Ooh, yeah! There we go, it's landed! Hey. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll admit, I wouldn't mind being allowed outside a lot more often. This was different. Good different. Now you've only got one more thing to do.
Have I?
Yep, go talk to Diesel, Ari, and Bert. Time to start off fresh, don't you think?
You're right. I will.
Oh, I know you will. Otherwise I'll hear from them later if you screw it up. Alright, bye-bye everyone.
Alright, lads.
Hello. Alright.
I just want to say how sorry I am for, well, everything. The work you do, the work you've done today, you're just as important as the rest of us steam engines.
Took you long enough. I'm sorry too. Yeah, same here. Yeah, sorry mate. What do you say, gentlemen? New airport, new us? I'm all for it. Yeah, sounds terrific.
I'm more than happy to agree.
Ladies, gentlemen, and engines, please welcome our first passengers to travel by plane to the island of Sodor.
Yay!
Salutations, everyone.
Welcome to Sodor!
Yeah, nice one. It's a pleasure to have you on our island. Hello, old friend. I have missed you so much.
It sure is nice to be out of those scrapyards.
What's up now, Gordon? You've got your dome back. I know. I was just starting to like my tent. Oh, you big softy. Oh, shut up.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but I thought your shed had 6 spaces. This one has 7.
Oh, yes. Oh, right. Yes. Somehow I completely missed that.
Oh, that was me. What was? I put in a word with the fat controller. The extra space is for you, Emily. For me? It's my way of saying thanks for everything. Oh, bless your boiler, Thomas. That's so sweet of you.
Welcome to Tidmouth Sheds, Emily. Hear, hear.
Thanks. I really do feel like one of the main fleet now. James? Where you going? Oh, back to the coaling plant. But the sheds are back up. I know, but... Well, you lot certainly wouldn't want me in the sheds. After all the trouble I've caused. And if it wasn't for you, the airport would have never been saved. I think that makes up for it. Don't you all think?
Oh, yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes, I think so.
Yes,
of course.
Yeah, come on in, James. Thanks, everyone. Whew. What a summer, am I right? Hey, we've still got a month and a half left. Plus there's bound to be plenty more work thanks to the airport. Oh, tell me about it. I can't wait for them to see the beauty of my branch line. Wow, favouritism much. Oh, and the rest of the island, of course. But mostly my branch line. Well,
wherever they travel to. Everyone is welcome on Sodor. Steamy or diesel, right? Steamy or diesel.
Listen, what I said before, you're not pathetic.
I was. I have been for ages. Today was the kick up the bunker I needed. We've both made mistakes. But as you say, yeah, starting today, new airport, new passengers, new us. Too late. About that.
About what? If we didn't finish the airport and we were less busy, do you think the Fat Controller would have scrapped us? I did at first, yeah. But then I talked with Emily. That helped a great deal. So, no, we're gonna be just fine. You think so? Well, one day, yeah, we might not be as busy as we used to be. Maybe we'll become too expensive. Maybe they'll build more efficient engines without the need for coal, water, or diesel fuel. Or maybe we'll just get too old to keep up. But we're strong, determined machines who have plenty more years to give. I certainly do. Whether it's taking a passenger train or a goods train down the line, we make people's day just by blowing our whistles and honking our horns as we roll down the tracks. We won't last forever. But all we have to do to put smiles on everyone's faces is keep carrying on. And I think nothing says really useful more than that. Wow. Since when did you become so philosophical? I've been around since 1914. You pick up on things just as much as you make mistakes. Yeah. Night, James. Good night, Thomas. Keep carrying on to make people smile. If that doesn't make us really splendid engines, I don't know what will.